Why are 94% of car owners completely driving blind? From hidden seatbelt sliders to secret key fob tricks, here are 18 hidden car features you need to unlock right now. Before we unlock secret number 17, if you want to keep your car running like brand new for over 500,000 miles without giving thousands of dollars to greedy mechanics, check out the link in the description right now. We have put together the ultimate step-by-step master guide that reveals secret maintenance hacks, hidden longevity techniques, and money-saving tricks to bulletproof your vehicle for life. Click the link down in the description and grab your copy today before the price goes up. Secret number 17. Removable cup holder divider. Ever tried fitting a massive hydro flask or travel mug into your cup holder, only to have it awkwardly tip over every time you hit the brakes? Most drivers assume that plastic divider in the center console is permanently molded in place. The truth: your car likely has a hidden quick-release mechanism. Pull it straight up, and your dual cup holder instantly transforms into a giant storage slot for large bottles, small bags, or a standing smartphone. Snap it back in whenever you need to standard slots. Secret number 16. Hidden door umbrella holder. Tired of tossing a dripping wet umbrella onto your clean leather seats? Hidden inside the door panels or under the seats of many European, American, and Asian cars is a dedicated umbrella holster complete with a built-in exterior drainage channel. You can slide a soaking wet umbrella directly into the slot, and the water drains straight out beneath the chassis without leaving a single drop on your interior carpet. Secret number 15. Wiper nozzle pin adjustment dot. Is your windshield washer fluid spraying over your roof or missing the glass entirely? Instead of paying a repair shop $50 to replace a non-broken part, grab a simple sewing needle or safety pin. Inside that tiny washer nozzle is a microball joint. Insert the pin, gently pivot the nozzle angle, and test the spray pattern until it hits the exact center of your windshield. Secret number 14. Windshield black dots feature. That mysterious fading pattern of black dots along the edge of your windshield is not just decorative. Known as the Frit band, this ceramic enamel band blocks harsh UV radiation from degrading the urethane adhesive holding your windshield to the frame. It also thermal balances the glass during manufacturing to prevent cracking and softens the visual transition for your eyes while driving. Secret number 13. Rain sensor sensitivity adjustment. Do your automatic wipers swipe frantically during light mist or completely lag behind in a downpour? Tucked inside your infotainment settings menu or on a dial near your steering column is a rain sensor sensitivity threshold. Optical sensors behind your rearview mirror detect raindrop frequency, but fine-tuning this sensitivity lets you customize exactly when the wipers kick into high gear. Secret number 12. Windshield defogging trick. When your windshield fogs up in heavy rain, instinctively turning the heat all the way up actually makes the problem worse. The fastest fix is turning recirculation OFF to pull in drier outside air, while simultaneously switching the AC on even in sub-zero temperatures. The AC system acts as a dehumidifier, stripping moisture from the cabin air and clearing your glass in seconds. Secret number 11. Key fob hidden tricks. Can't find your car in a massive parking lot? Holding your key fob against your chin or head actually uses the fluid in your skull to act as an antenna amplifier, extending your remote's range significantly. Furthermore, holding the unlock button on many fobs automatically rolls down all windows to vent trapped heat. Best of all, pressing a small release latch on the back of your fob reveals an emergency physical metal key when your battery dies. Secret number 10. Correct tire pressure location dot. Never inflate your tires to the PSI number stamped on the tire sidewall. That is the tire's absolute maximum safety limit, not your vehicle's recommended pressure. Inflating to max PSI causes a harsh ride and uneven tread wear. The true recommended cold tire pressure is located on the white and yellow sticker inside your driver's door jamb. Secret number 9. Floor mat safety hooks. Those small plastic clips under your floor mats are critical safety anchors. Unsecured mats, especially heavy aftermarket all-weather mats, can slide forward and jam your accelerator or brake pedals, which has historically caused major safety recalls. Always lock your floor mats firmly into the floor pegs after cleaning. Secret number 8. Cabin air filter scent trick. If your AC vents smell musty, skip expensive hanging air fresheners. Drop 1 or 2 drops of your favorite essential oil like peppermint or citrus directly onto your new cabin air filter behind the glove box. Every time you turn on your fan, a clean, subtle aroma circulates naturally through the entire cabin. Secret number 7. Auto lock on Walkaway. Stop stressing over whether you locked your vehicle. Deep inside your vehicle's door settings menu lies an auto lock on Walkaway feature. Once your key fob leaves a 6 to 10 foot radius, the vehicle automatically secures all doors and flashes its lights to confirm. Secret number 6. Rear defroster mirror heating. Stop standing in the freezing cold scraping ice off your side mirrors. Pressing your rear windshield defroster button automatically activates hidden heating grids built directly behind your side mirror glass, melting ice and clearing frost in minutes. Secret number 5. Manual fuel door release. If your car battery completely dies at a gas station and your electronic fuel door won't pop open, check your trunk or under the rear seats. Manufacturers install a manual emergency mechanical pull cable behind the trunk trim lining that overrides the electronic actuator without any tools. Secret number 4. DIY Self-Diagnostics feature. When a check engine light appears, don't rush to pay a shop a $100 diagnostic fee. Plug a $15 OBTA scanner into the port beneath your dashboard near the steering column. It syncs with your smartphone to read exact fault codes and explain the issue instantly. Secret number 3. Underseat storage compartment. Many modern trucks, SUVs, and sedans feature hidden storage compartments beneath the front passenger or rear seat cushions. Lifting the cushion or pulling a hidden latch reveals a concealed tray perfect for securing valuables, emergency tools, or sensitive documents out of sight. Secret number 2. Gas pedal reset trick. If your automatic transmission feels sluggish or your throttle response feels jerky after a battery replacement, try this electronic recalibration. Turn your key to the on position, engine off, and back to off 3 times. On the final cycle, leave it on. Depress the accelerator pedal slowly to the floor. Hold for 10 seconds, release slowly, turn the key OFF, and wait 30 seconds. This forces the ECU to relearn throttle positioning. Secret number 1. Hands-free liftgate. When your hands are loaded with groceries, walking up to your rear bumper with your key fob in your pocket and making a simple forward and back kicking motion beneath the bumper sensor will trigger the automatic power liftgate to open hands-free. How many of these hidden features did you already know? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to click the link in the description to grab your 500,000-mile car maintenance guide and smash that subscribe button for more brilliant automotive secrets.